AI can save your shop hours every week, but one careless copy-paste can expose customer info, internal pricing, or technician notes. In this video, I'll show you how smart shop owners use AI safely, what to use it for, what never to paste, and the rules that protect your business. Start with the big idea. AI is a tool, not a replacement for judgment. Transition into the main risk: data leakage from entering sensitive customer, payment, or internal business information into public AI tools. Next, break down a practical safe use framework. Approved use cases, marketing drafts, SOP formatting, training outlines, restricted data categories, and a review before use rule. Then move into workflow design, staff permissions, simple prompts, redaction habits, and human verification of outputs. Close with an adoption roadmap. Begin with one low-risk task, train the team, document policies, and expand only after consistency is proven.